See me, Mr. Troy, here at the air pump, taking the bikes.
Now in a higher definition.
Now in a much higher definition, 4K HDR. Look at this beautiful HDR Casey's. But anyways, I'm gonna throw you back on my head, and we're gonna ride off to find that bridge. Going for it. Let's go. Hope you guys enjoy the footage. I hope you can hear me. Mr. Troz and I figured it was a beautiful day for an adventure. Oh look, a bike route.
Oh really?
How perfect.
I didn't know about it.
That is crazy, isn't it? Oh, cool. 1 mile down.
That's good.
I gotta stop. I gotta stop. Gobble, gobble. Turkey. It's a wild fucking turkey. I didn't know we got wild turkeys in Illinois. They're so pretty. Nature at its finest. Holy hell. Save the hat! Funny! Stop and wait for Mr. Troy. I hope he got his hat. I'm gonna look at this creek while I wait for him. Here he comes. .3 miles remaining. There it is! It's the bridge! There it is. Check it out, guys. We found the bridge. Let's ride through it. Really fast. Really fast. Captain Swift. So I think it's time we actually reveal what we're doing here. So Mr. Troz hit me up this afternoon. I had no idea what I wanted to do today. And I just wanted to make some sort of content. Any content, right? Anything. Just been craving to make some fucking content. So he hits me up and he's like, oh, I'm thinking about doing this stealth camping thing where we find a spot and just say fuck it and stay there all night and make a video about it. So here we are. We started here, but we did find out that the Captain Swift Park, whatever this thing is, closes at sunset, so we will have to find a new location, unfortunately, but that's all right, we'll find something. But for now, we're gonna head down, check out the water, see what we can find. Spindly path here.
This path doesn't seem to be the most steppable.
It definitely is not the most steppable. I'm really glad I put on my new shoes for this. Look at that. Don't fall, Troy. Uh-oh. That's not good. Beautiful creek bed. Looks like it runs down that way a little bit. We're gonna find out if there's a path over here. Let's see, let's do the old go gadget extender. What we got up there? We'll find something. Could always go the other way. No more paths. We'll try the other way. We'll walk past these kind people. Mr. Troz found some graffiti. Look how pretty. Well, we believe we've explored everything that the bridge has to offer. We'll go up top there in just a minute. And back up the hill we go. Whee! Mr. Troz doing his video. In case you're curious to know what I'm toting around as we're out here recording these videos, that would be this monstrosity. This is camera equipment. This is survival shit. Batteries, cables, food, water. All that fun shit. Gonna do a ride through on the bridge. Alright guys, we have finished at the Captain Swift Memorial Bridge. We're going to grab our shit and head on to our next destination. See you soon. Back on the road. Well, that was fun. Very pretty little bridge. That's a very big hill. All right, guys. We're going up that big ass hill over there. It's gonna be fun. Not really. Why are there burnout marks on the bridge? Who's burning out on the old wood bridge?
It's a new wood bridge.
Who's burning out on the new wood bridge? Well, that was a feat. But it looks like it goes to a stop sign and then goes north, so it's at least going in the right direction. And once we get moving and get some breeze in our face. Deer! Over there on the tree line, look at him. There was like 5 of them. Hi! Hi, deer.
So, I think that may have been the lion.
What?
I think it's on the hill for no reason. But we'll get some momentum for the other hill.
What? We can't get there from this way? All right, well, I guess we're riding down the hill. Well, that's the air I wanted.
8 miles of gravel, dust in my
Shit!
teeth. The sun's a hammer, the road's a thief. The wheels hum low, whispering song. Every mile asks how you holding on. 8 miles to the bridge, where the water runs deep, where secrets lie quiet, where shadows keep. I pedal through.
Where's Mr. Troz?
Taking my ribs just to get to that bridge, just
Check
to
the
get to that bridge.
How you doing, camera? Looking good? Waiting for Mr. Troz. There he is. He's coming.
He calls like he's laughing at the state I'm in.
That did cool me off quite a bit. So it did cool me off quite a bit.
The horizon wavers, heat bends the air. That bridge is my altar, I'm getting there. 8 miles to the bridge, where the water runs deep, where secrets lie quiet, where shadows keep. I pedal through the sweat, through the ache in my ribs, just to get to that bridge, just to get to that bridge. To that bridge. Maybe I'm chasing ghosts, maybe I'm running blind. Maybe that bridge holds nothing but time, but the spokes keep turning, the wind keeps still, and that old bridge waits at the foot of the hill. The horizon wavers, close back as sin. He calls like he's laughing at the state I'm in. The chain clicks steady, the riddle's my friend, but this road ain't got no mercy to lend. Just to get to that bridge, just to get to that bridge. Across the wavers, he fills the air. That bridge is my altar, I'm getting there. That bridge is my altar, I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
Heading back to the house. Got Mr. Troy.
Maybe that bridge holds nothing but time, but the spokes keep turning.
Going for a bike ride, you cannot see me at all.
Bridge waits at the foot of the hill. Maybe I'm chasing ghosts, maybe I'm running blind.
And we have arrived. Oh, we have made it back to the house. Gonna turn in for the night. Gonna try to catch the sunrise in the morning. If I do, I will have that for you in the video. If not, peace out, and I hope you enjoyed this.